When it comes to maintaining the pristine look of your car, the terms polisher and buffer are often used interchangeably. But are they really the same thing? Not quite. While both tools aim to enhance your vehicle's finish, they serve different purposes and have unique features. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between a car polisher and a car buffer, so you'll know exactly which tool to use for specific jobs and how to get the best results when detailing your vehicle. What is a car polisher? A car polisher is designed primarily to correct imperfections in your vehicle's paintwork. Over time, your car's surface is bound to accumulate scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation. A polisher's job is to remove these blemishes by using a combination of abrasive compounds and rotating or oscillating movements. Polishers come in different varieties, such as rotary or dual-action D8 polishers. Rotary polishers offer more aggressive correction, making them ideal for professionals or experienced users who need to remove deep scratches. On the other hand, dual-action polishers are more beginner-friendly and work gently on the surface, reducing the risk of burning or damaging the paint. A key feature of polishers is their ability to apply a specific amount of pressure to achieve a smooth, even finish. They work by gently removing microscopic layers of paint or clear coat to restore the car's original shine. The result is a deep, glossy finish that can dramatically improve the overall appearance of your vehicle.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is a car buffer? A car buffer, while similar in design to a polisher, is used mainly for applying wax, sealants, or other finishing products. Unlike polishers, buffers aren't designed to correct paint defects, but to enhance the final shine and protect the vehicle's paintwork. Buffers often use foam or microfiber pads to evenly distribute products across the surface, without causing swirl marks or other damage. They are typically less aggressive than polishers and focus on adding that extra layer of shine and protection, rather than removing imperfections. Buffers usually operate at lower speeds, allowing for more controlled application of products like Carnauba wax or synthetic sealants. This step is crucial in maintaining the polished look achieved by a polisher, creating a protective layer that shields the car from environmental elements like UV rays, bird droppings, and road grime. Key differences between car polishers and car buffers. While they may seem similar, the biggest difference between a polisher and a buffer lies in their purpose and function. A polisher is used for paint correction. It helps to eliminate surface flaws like oxidation, scratches, and swirl marks. In contrast, a buffer is used primarily for applying protective products and enhancing shine after the paint correction process. Additionally, polishers are often more powerful and operate at higher speeds compared to buffers, making them more suited for removing defects. Buffers are gentler, ideal for applying waxes and sealants without risk of damaging the paint. When should you use a car polisher? If your car's paint has noticeable scratches, swirl marks, or oxidation, using a polisher is the best option. Polishers are designed to address these imperfections by cutting into the paint or clear coat and smoothing out the surface. For older vehicles or cars that have been exposed to harsh elements, a polisher can make a significant difference in the appearance of the vehicle. It's important to note that polishing should not be done too frequently. Over-polishing can thin out the clear coat or paint, leaving your vehicle vulnerable to future damage. Most experts recommend polishing a car once or twice a year, depending on the condition of the paint. When should you use a car buffer? Once the paint correction process is complete, a buffer comes into play. Buffers are ideal for applying waxes and sealants, providing that final touch of gloss and creating a protective barrier for the paintwork. Unlike polishers, you can use a buffer more frequently, anytime your car needs a fresh layer of protection or an extra shine boost. If you're looking to maintain your car's glossy finish and keep it protected from the elements, buffing should be part of your regular car care routine. Now that you know the difference between a car polisher and a car buffer, you're better equipped to take care of your vehicle's appearance. Whether you're fixing paint imperfections with a polisher or applying protective wax with a buffer, both tools are essential for any car enthusiast. So next time you're ready to detail your car, make sure you're using the right tool for the job and enjoy that showroom shine every time.